Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to make a pair of metal earrings. I will use some pendants, some jump rings and some fishhook ear wires. The first step is to open the jump ring. I will grab the jump ring with the pliers, with the chain nose pliers and the jump ring opener, and I will open the jump ring this way. I will put the pendant through the jump ring, and I will also put the fishhook ear wire through the jump ring. Now, in order to close the jump ring, again I will grab the jump ring with the pliers and close it with the jump ring opener this way, and our first earring is ready, and we shall follow the same steps to create the second earring. And these are our finished earrings. I will show you how to use some charms, the Hamza hand charms, some metal beads, some fishhook ear wires, some eye pins and some jump rings in order to create a pair of beautiful earrings. So I will put a part of the findings and beads away. Here we have what we need for our first earring. So I will begin by connecting the charm, the Hamza charm, to the bead, the metal bead. I will take the eye pin and put the eye pin on the bead on the eye pin. So this bead will be right above our charm like this. Now I will create a loop right above the bead, and in order to make the loop I will bend the wire to 90 degrees. So I will grab the wire with the chain nose pliers. I will grab it about half a millimeter or a millimeter above the bead so that the bead can move a little bit, and I will bend the wire to 90 degrees. This way. So as you can see, I have bent the wire to 90 degrees. Now I will take the round nose pliers, so the pliers that are rounded here, and I will start creating the loop. I will grab the end of the wire and start rolling the end of the wire this way. And as you can see, I have created a loop at the end of my bead, like this. Before I close this loop, I will take the fishhook ear wire and I will put the fishhook ear wire on the loop, and now I will close this loop like this. So I have attached the fishhook ear wire to my bead. The next step is to attach the bead to my Hamza charm. I will grab the jump ring with the chain nose pliers and I will use the jump ring opener to open this jump ring. I will open it a bit more so that the Hamza charm can be attached to the jump ring, and I put the Hamza charm on the jump ring. I will also take the eye of the eye pin with the bead and put it on the Hamza, on the jump ring, in order to attach it to the charm. And now I will use the pliers and the jump ring opener to close the jump ring. And now our first earring, as you can see, is ready. And now we shall follow the same steps in order to create the second earring. And these are our finished earrings. I will show you how to create a pair of earrings using metal charms, metal beads, some turquoise and coral beads, eye pins, ear wires, and of course some jump rings. In order to create those earrings, I will select the items that I need for my first earring. So this is what I will need for my first earring, and I will begin by taking an eye pin and inserting the beads on the eye pin. So I put the turquoise bead, the metal bead, and the coral bead, like this. And now I will measure the pin and I will cut the end a bit at the end of the pin. Like this. And now I will start bending the pin in order to create a loop. I will take the pliers, the chain nose pliers, and at about 1 millimeter above my coral bead, to prevent breaking the bead, I will bend the pin to 90 degrees this way. So you have to make sure that the two loops are in the same plane. So I will twist the wire a bit so that both loops are in the same plane. And as you can see here, I have this pin bent to 90 degrees. Now I will take the round nose pliers and start twisting so that I create a loop. So I grab the end of the pin and twist in order to make the loop. As you can see, the loop is not yet closed, and now I will add the fishhook ear wire on the loop, and now I can close the loop. Like this. So as you can see, both loops are in the same plane, and I have closed this loop, attaching the ear wire to the beads and to the eye pin. And now we have to attach the charm. In order to attach the charm, I will take the jump ring, grab the jump ring with my chain nose pliers, and with the jump ring opener I will open the jump ring. Now I will open the jump ring a bit more, and I will put the charm on the jump ring and also on the jump ring I will put the eye pin with the beads. And now we can close the jump ring this way, and I will press with the chain nose pliers on the jump ring so that the two ends of my jump ring align. And as you can see, our first earring is ready. So as you can see, it is a dangle earring. And now I will follow the same steps to create the second earring, and we will have a pair of beautiful dangle earrings. And this is what our finished earrings look like. So I hope you liked this video, and see you in my next video.